My name's Kiefer Phillips, and along with my wife, Patricia Brown, we are restoring a 1956 18-foot Lyman runabout. As of the taping of this video, we are actually 9 years in on that project. We've been working on and off over the last 9 years, more off than on, for a variety of reasons. But during that time, we have completed some fairly significant work on the boat. We have replaced the stem knee, the keel, the garboard and adjacent plank, the transom, and last but not least, all of the frames on the boat. The forward frames being two-piece steam bent white oak frames, and the aft frames being one-piece steam bent white oak frames. We've done extensive research through reading videos of boat restorations, both amateur and professional. We have met with some professional boat builders, and we have assimilated all of that information and ultimately made the determination on how we are going to restore our boat, what means, what methods, what materials. Originality is very important to us, so that plays a big role in ultimately how we decide to do some of what we do. I also don't know, we don't have a timeline for when we will finish the boat. We both still work full-time, and so part-time is what we have to spend on the boat, but we are in a position now that where we can spend some fairly undivided part-time on the boat. And I would like to think that we could finish it in the coming year, maybe by the end of 2025 with a launch 2026. I don't know. But that's kind of an objective we have, a goal that we have set. And if we make it, that's great. If not, at least we're not going to be far off of it. The current state of the boat, we've turned the boat over and we have faired and sanded and faired and sanded and faired and sanded the top sides. We've faired and sanded the bottom. We have 4 coats of primer on the top sides, and we are currently priming the bottom with Interlux 2000E. We started with a gray coat. We've gone gray, white, gray, white. This is our 4th coat. And I think we will mix the remaining gray and white that we have and put a final 5th coat of primer on the bottom. We plan to finish the bottom, paint the top sides, all but maybe the final coat, and then turn the boat back over, put it on the trailer, at which time we can put the motor back in, the linkages, the rudder. We'll have a new wiring harness system that we will build, a new fuel tank, our refurbished instrument panel, the new decks of ribbon stripe mahogany. All projects which we will feature on the video series here as we progress forward. So if you'd like to follow along in the series on the projects we've completed in the past and the projects that we will be completing in the future, please like and subscribe so you'll be alerted when new videos come up, and thank you for watching.